Did you know you're playing a money game every single day, whether you want to or not? The question is, are you playing to win or just surviving? Most people don't even realize they're in the game until it's too late. But here's the good news. If you learn the rules, you can take control, build wealth, and achieve true financial freedom. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, proven roadmap to outsmart the game. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal the exact steps you need to escape the rat race and start winning. And if you're serious about wealth, don't forget to subscribe to Wealth for You for more tips to transform your financial future. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. What is the money game? The money game is everywhere. Whether you realize it or not, you're already playing. Think of the world's economy as a massive creature, constantly striving to grow bigger and stronger. But here's the twist. Who keeps it alive? You, me, and everyone else. We're like its cells, working tirelessly to fuel its growth. Now here's the catch. The game is rigged. Sure, the economy rewards you with money for your work, but it also has a sneaky way of taking it back. That sneaky thief is inflation, slowly eroding your savings and wealth every year if you're not playing smart. That's why understanding the rules of the money game isn't just important. It's the only way to stop losing and start winning. Chapter 2. The hidden rules that affect your wealth. In the money game, there are 3 hidden rules that can determine whether you thrive or struggle. Most people don't even realize they're playing by these rules, but understanding them is the key to getting ahead. 1. Inflation. The silent thief. Inflation is like a slow, invisible leak in your wallet. Every year, the value of your money decreases, even if the amount in your bank account stays the same. For example, something that costs $100 today might cost $105 next year. If your income or investments aren't growing faster than inflation, typically around 2 to 3% annually, it's like losing money without even spending it. This is why saving alone isn't enough. To stay ahead of inflation, you need to grow your money through smart investments that outpace this silent thief. 2. Government policies, the game changers. Governments have the power to rewrite the rules of the game, and their policies can impact your wealth in ways you might not expect. Taxes can take a big chunk of your earnings, especially if you're in a higher income bracket. On the flip side, some tax cuts or benefits might favor certain groups. When governments print more money, known as quantitative easing, it often leads to inflation and devalues your savings. Policies like higher taxes on the wealthy aim to redistribute money to lower-income groups, but they can also create unintended economic shifts. Understanding how policies like these work allows you to adapt your financial strategies and minimize their impact on your wealth. 3. Consumerism, the endless loop. The most deceptive rule is consumerism, the constant push to buy more, want more, and spend more. Society is designed to keep you in an endless cycle of earning and spending. Advertisers and marketers use psychology to make you feel like you need the latest phone, the trendiest clothes, or the most luxurious experiences. Scarcity tactics, like limited editions or sales, make you spend money you don't have on things you don't need. The result? Many people live paycheck to paycheck, trapped in a loop where they're working harder but never truly getting ahead. Breaking free means shifting your mindset from spending to saving and investing in what really matters. Understanding these rules is the first step to winning. Inflation quietly erodes your savings. Government policies can redistribute your wealth, and consumerism keeps you stuck in the rat race. But by recognizing these forces, you can outsmart them, taking control of your money and turning the game in your favor. Chapter 3. How to win the money game. Winning the money game isn't about working endlessly. It's about being smart with your time, money, and mindset. Here's a simple 4-step roadmap to take control and come out on top. 1. Make more money. The first step to financial freedom is increasing your income. Here's how. Upgrade your skills. Invest in education, certifications, or training that can boost your earning potential. Side gigs. The gig economy offers plenty of opportunities, from delivery jobs to freelance writing or tutoring. Start a side hustle. Platforms like YouTube, Etsy, or Upwork can help you monetize your hobbies or skills. Remember, the goal isn't just to work harder, but to work smarter. Focus on activities with high earning potential or scalable income streams. 2. Shift your spending mindset. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. To win the money game, you need to stop overspending and start spending with purpose. Avoid consumer traps. Ads, social media, and peer pressure can make you buy things you don't need. Recognize these traps and resist. Practical example. Instead of splurging $1,000 on a luxury t-shirt, buy a quality $100 shirt and invest the remaining $900. Over time, that $900 could grow into thousands. Your mindset should shift from spending to impress to investing to grow. 3. Save consistently. Saving money is the bridge between earning and investing. The more you save, the faster you can build wealth. Track your spending. Use budgeting apps or tools to monitor where your money is going. Cut unnecessary expenses. Small adjustments, like eating out less or canceling unused subscriptions, can add up to significant savings over time. Consistency is key. Even if you start small, saving regularly builds the habit and creates a solid foundation for investing. 4. Invest smartly. Your savings alone won't beat inflation. You need to make your money work for you. Investing is the most powerful way to grow your wealth. Buy assets. Turn your savings into income-generating investments like stocks, ETFs, and REITs. Practical example. Invest in ETFs like VOO, which tracks the top 500 U.S. companies. This way, when those companies grow, your wealth grows too. Investing isn't about quick wins. It's about steady, long-term growth. Over time, these assets will work for you 24/7, even when you're sleeping or on vacation. The secret to winning combines these 4 steps: earning more, spending smarter, saving consistently, and investing wisely. This creates a cycle of growth. Each step feeds into the next, helping you build wealth faster and achieve financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every smart financial decision you make today brings you closer to winning the money game tomorrow. Chapter 4. Why balance is key. Winning the money game doesn't mean you have to sacrifice all the joy in your life today. The key to success is balance, enjoying the present while building a secure future. Here's how to do it. Spend wisely. Focus on the things that truly bring value to your life. Save and invest. Prioritize your future by consistently putting a portion of your income into investments that grow over time. Here's an example of balance in action. Imagine you have $1,000. Instead of splurging it all on a luxury item like an expensive branded t-shirt, you spend $100 on a quality alternative and invest the remaining $900. If you invest that $900 every month at an average annual return of 7%, it could grow to nearly $469,000 in just 20 years. Over time, those small, smart decisions add up, bringing you closer to financial freedom. The key is balance. You can enjoy your life today without neglecting your future. By making thoughtful financial choices now, you're not just winning the money game, you're setting yourself up to enjoy the journey and the destination. Financial freedom isn't about extremes, it's about balance. Enjoy your journey, live meaningfully, and let your money work for your future. Final thoughts. The money game isn't about grinding forever. It's about building a system where your money works for you. When you create enough wealth to cover your lifestyle without needing to trade your time for income, you've won the game. That's financial freedom. Winning this game starts with small, consistent steps. Every decision to spend wisely, save more, and invest smarter gets you closer to freedom. The journey might take time, but the rewards are worth it. A life where your money supports the lifestyle you truly want. Conclusion. If this video gave you a fresh perspective on the money game, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Wealth for You for actionable strategies to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. What's your biggest financial goal right now? Let's inspire and support each other in the comments. See you in the next video. Let's keep building wealth together, one step at a time.